What's up YouTube, this is Every Tech Time here again, and this is my first tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can disable or enable ratings on your YouTube videos. So when you upload videos to YouTube, sometimes you might want to consider turning off video ratings so that you won't have to worry about so they want to deal with monitoring likes and dislikes to the public, or so that you won't have to worry about your videos gain, more dislikes than likes or things like that. So the ratings are the likes and dislikes, which show the number of people who like or dislike your videos. While a lot of videos lots of people can see how many likes and dislikes there are, you also have the option to hide those ratings, which means that once you disable ratings, people can still like or dislike your videos, but the number of likes and dislikes will not be visible to the public. Only the channel owner can see those ratings. So if you want to do that, then this is a video on how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, so first you click on your channel icon, you go to Creator Studio, and then you go to Video Manager, click on the video you want to edit and click Edit. Go to Advanced Settings and uncheck Users Can View Ratings for this video, and then click Save Changes. I'm going to click Cancel because I'm not actually going to disable ratings for this video, but to actually disable ratings you click Save. So now, if you want to disable ratings for all of your videos, then you do this in the Upload Default section of your channel. You go to Channel, click Upload Defaults, and then uncheck Users Can View Ratings for this video, and click Save. Again, I'm not actually doing it, so I'm just going to click Cancel. So I hope that was a good tutorial, and if you find this helpful, then you can like, comment, and subscribe for more of my content. Until next time, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.